Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our custom no-body drill Gatorback front mud flaps on a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado HD. These flaps are to be used with our finishing caps, which are sold separately. These mud flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To install your finishing caps, start by unscrewing the 3 factory screws on your guard as shown. Set this hardware aside for later reinstallation. Next, remove the 2 screws on the bottom of the factory guard. You can now remove the factory guard. To do this, we suggest you pull back the fender as shown. With the fender pulled back, we will remove the factory guard. To remove the factory guard, give it a good tug towards yourself. This way, the push pin attached to the body will come loose. Now that the factory guard is removed, we will begin installing our custom finishing cap. Slightly peel back the red 3M tape on the inside of your Gatorback cap and fold it back as shown. With the tape slightly pulled back, put the cap into place, ensuring that the top lip of the mold slides under the fender molding as shown. Once in place, reinstall the 2 bottom factory screws to secure the cap. Be careful you do not accidentally over-tighten any screws during installation. With the cap in position, finish peeling the 3M tape and press firmly on the bottom and side of the finishing cap to ensure a proper seal. Now we can move on to installing our mud flap. Next, we will install 2 of our custom clips onto the mud flap. Take a clip and position it into the top hole of the flap as shown. Once the clip is in place, secure it using a slotted washer and cap screw. Repeat this process for the second hole. Now we will attach our flap to the vehicle's wheel well. Place a 1-inch washer and machine screw through the outermost hole of the flap. Then place a rubber spacer on the back of the flap as shown, before securing the flap to the center of the finishing cap. With the mud flap in place, we will now attach our 2 clips behind the fender molding. Here's an example of how the clips attach. Next, secure the following hole on the flap using a supplied screw and flat washer. With that hole secured, we'll move on to the final hole of the flap, and secure it in place using a screw and flat washer. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Finally, we will attach our bracket and secure the inside of the flap. Using the previously removed factory screw and nylon washer, attach the Z bracket onto the finishing cap as shown. Then ensure it is positioned so that it is applying proper pressure onto the mud flap. Congratulations! You've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.